Sit on vajrasan for few seconds. Take your elbows down on the mat. Open your hands, unlock your fingers, make a fist on the mat. Place your head to the ground at your hand's fist. Walk your feet towards your head slowly. Then take your knees up and align your legs. Maintain your body balance. Then try to legs straightly. Keep a balance your body. In the beginning stage, stay there a few seconds only. After practiced perfectly, stay there 2 to 5 minutes. Then come back slowly, step by step. First, fold your knees. And down the feet to the ground. Then sit a vajrasan. Take a normal breath in few seconds.